some people go to the cinema. 4 adults and 2 child tickets cost $47. 1 adult and 3 child tickets cost $25.50. Work out the cost of an adult and a child ticket each. Now what we can do is to let A and C be the cost of adult and each adult and child ticket respectively. Okay, so basically 4A plus 2C will be equals to $47. A plus 3C is $25.50. Alright, now there are 2 ways to approach simultaneous equations as such. Okay, we can use either substitution or elimination. Let's practice on elimination. Number 1, number 2. So the second equation and the first, let's try and make A the same. So make it to 4A. So everything in second one you have to times by 4. So we have 4A plus 12C is equals to 2550 times 4. 2550 times 4, that will be 102. Okay, so this will become equation number 3. Alright, so we have the first equation originally there, now we have a new equation 3. And to eliminate 4A, okay, since they are both positive, we subtract. When both are the same signs, we have to subtract. If it's negative, negative, we subtract. Positive, positive, we subtract. The only instance when we add is when they have opposite signs. Okay, so equation 1, subtract equation 3. 4A plus 2C, subtract away 4A plus 12C will be 47 minus 102. So 4A plus 2C minus 4A minus 12C. So make sure you put a bracket over here. This will be equals to 47 minus 102. 55. Okay, negative 55. 4A eliminated. Okay, 4A minus 4A no more is, okay, 2C minus 12C. Negative 10C is negative 55 and C is just negative 55 over negative 10, which is going to be 5.5. Alright, so that's for the child's ticket. For the adult ticket, what we can do is substitute C back into equation 2. Alright, so A plus 3 times 5.5 is equals to 25.5. A plus 3 times 5.5, let's see. 3 times 5.5 is actually 16.5. Equals 25.5, and A will just be 25.5 minus 16.5, which is 9. Wow, $9 for an adult ticket. Okay, so we can write the statement here. Child's ticket is equal to $5.50. Since they want to know the cost, we have to present it in a dollar sign with 2 decimal places. If there is a decimal place, adult's ticket. Now this will just be $9. Final answer for this question.